make it disappear without saying any words, no want. It just disappears.
Whoa!
How'd you do that?
I can't tell you.
Can you do it up close so we can see better?
Crazy.
I have a ball, and I'm gonna make it disappear without saying any words or without a stick. Ready? Bam!
Whoa! Excellent.
And there's none.
I see that.
Wow.
So,
Amazing.
you mean Ava? Amazing.
Amazing, Ava, yes.